What's up guys, it's Anders. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the Waves S1 to create a nice wide stereo feeling vocal when you haven't got harmonies and ad-libs to work with. Let's jump into it.
Keep it real, I'm independent, I don't need no deal. I'm jaws on the beat, I got a flow that kills. Do my thing with a few G's, Lauren Hill.
Okay, so I'm going to use a little part of one of my tracks here called Winter. And you know, it sounds like this. I've got this nice wide like vocal that kind of goes around you, whether you're in headphones or if you've got some speakers on.
Bodies on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter. Frozen to the core, thoughts of you, there's a linger. Longing for the dark, nothing leaving a whisper. Bring my love back.
Super simple, but I've got harmonies and bits and stereo vocals to work with and do that, but I have used some trickery as well. Let's imagine that I've only got this part of the vocal.
Bodies on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter. Frozen to the core.
Okay, it's kind of stuck in the middle, right? It's a little bit off on its own and you know, it doesn't have the same impact and feel. Well, this is where we can use a really nice budget effect plugin called the Waves S1. So this is how S1 looks, and I've got it just on the vocal track here.
Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter.
And what I'll do, I'll even disable the reverb, so it's really just the dryness.
Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter.
Right, so it's right in the middle, that's all we've got. Well, really simply what we can do, where it says width, we can push that up a little bit.
Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter. Frozen to the core, thoughts of you, there's a linger. Longing for the dark, not to leave in a whisper. Bring my love back. Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter.
All right, now all the impact from the vocals gone. Damn, so what do we do about that? Well, a way to work around it, two things we do. We can either copy the vocal and have an S1 image version of it, or a nice way to do it is very simply just make a bus. We're going to have a bus that sends off at full volume like so, and we can pop our S1 on there and crank that width all the way up. And now,
heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter. Frozen to the core, thoughts of you, there's a linger. Longing for the dark, not to leave in a whisper. Bring my love back.
If you want to get technical, let's send the bus back round into the lead vocals bus.
Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter.
Now we'll bring the reverb back in.
Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter. Frozen
Nice
to
and
the
wrap round.
core, thoughts of you, there's a linger. Longing for the dark, not to leave in a whisper. Bring my love back. Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter. Frozen to the core, thoughts of you.
That's without the S1.
Bring my love back. I really want that. Get a heartbeat, but there's no going back. Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter. Frozen to the core, thoughts of you.
Definitely need to dial the bus back, probably about 3 to 6 dB.
In a whisper. Bring my love back. Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter. Frozen to the core, thoughts of you, there's a linger. Bring my love back. I really want that. Get a heartbeat, but there's no going back. Heart is on my sleeve, love is cold out on winter. Frozen to the core, thoughts of you, there's a linger. Longing for the dark, not to leave in a whisper.
Now, one issue you can run into with this is quite simply, you can experience phase cancellation by using the S1. However, it's pretty good. So what we'll do, we'll just put the gain utility on it, sum the whole thing to mono, and we've still got a nice upfront vocal, so we're good there. And that, guys, is how you can use the S1 to create that big, wide, round vocal feeling when you haven't got any ad-libs or harmonies to work with. Because as you can see, mine has been muted the whole time. Hope that was helpful for you. If it was, please bash a like on the video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.